Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. I just wanted to show you my collection of power equipment that I've hoarded over the last couple seasons from junkyards, garage sales, buy and sell websites online, things like that. I've got a few machines here I just wanted to show you. There's a nice McLean reel mower. It's in fabulous shape. I picked this up used online. I might sell it tomorrow. I've got a customer interested in coming to see it. It's like new. It's really early in the season to sell one of these, so I'm kind of surprised. But anyway, I've got about 7 more McLean reel mowers right back here. Pardon it being dark. It's in a barn, but there's a whole bunch more reel mowers, which are kind of neat. I like to collect reel mowers. Show me your reel mower collection if you've got one. I'd love to see it. So back here, I've got a few hedge trimmers. There's some Shindawas, some Echoes, some Steels. There's articulating hedge trimmers and straight hedge trimmers. You can never have enough hedge trimmers. I've got some attachments here for the Steel and the Echo PAS system. There's a few Combi power head units hanging there I'm going to work on. I've got a bunch of lawnmower bags hanging from the ceiling, so when I pick up lawnmowers at yard sales for cheap that don't come with bags, I usually have a bag that'll fit. There's a bunch of equipment from the dump, scrap equipment from the local power equipment shops. Usually they just have bad fuel in them, they've been sitting, they need a carb kit. Easy to fix, easy to resell. I've got a few of these nice Honda brush cutters hanging out, some Little Wonder commercial hedge trimmers. Lots of stuff. You know, here's some Shindawa trimmers. They're all just hanging here waiting for a nice day to be worked on. There's another Honda. That's a little 4-stroke trimmer, brush cutter. So yeah, I'll be making some videos this season working on this stuff in between working on customers' machines, which take priority for me. But I just thought you'd like to see, there's some Stihl trimmers, there's some curve shafts, some straight shafts, and down at the end there's a few more. Just thought you'd like to see that. This is about one third to 1/2 of my collection of equipment. When I go to my other barn, I'll show off a little bit more stuff I got hidden away. Thanks for watching.